they're over there.
Where are we, Blue?
We are at Jack Gow's Memorial Park and we are going right now to possibly talk to some spirits. So, what you do? And we are here with Moose. Let's go.
Yay.
Hang on, let's. This is a slide that's very wet right now.
You know, ghosts don't scare me. Other people do.
Give me more too. We are going to do some spiritual stuff. So, yeah. I'm actually fine. Are you cold? Put it on. The fact that you checked for me first. Oh my god, I look so bad in this. Okay, wait. Okay.
Yeah, good idea.
So my phone's flat. We have to do. Just so everyone knows, I swear to God, there was somebody right there. Like right there. I swear there was someone there. I promise.
Oh, it's just the bus. Oh, I'm so stressed out. This is so scary.
This is scary. This is a lot more scarier for two women. Just saying. Well, not. One woman and one non-binary.
Smash her hand.
However, two non-men. If there are any spirits here with us tonight, you can use the ball. Or you can touch these rods to communicate with us. No?
You don't. Let's just clarify that. If please cross the rods for yes, you want to communicate, and move them apart for no. Yes, you want to. Jesus, alright.
Okay. Are you the person with grey leggings that I just saw then?
Yes.
Can you point to where you are? Can you please point to where you are? Well, it's definitely not it. Because...
Bro. How do you know what is
What the fuck?
Did you just pass in front of us? And move over there?
Could you touch that ball again? If that was you? Just give it a little bit of a tap. Just like you did last time, you make all the pretty colours. Just a little tap, that's all. It doesn't like it. Maybe it's
Well, we're looking at it now.
yeah, maybe it doesn't like the pressure.
That's okay.
That's alright. Not a lot of people like the pressure. Except for me.
Do you shut the fuck up. You're gonna get if you put this on YouTube, you're gonna get demonetized.
I said pressure when I do push-ups.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Go, push ups.
He agrees. This is when you do push-ups. Okay, I just make... Okay.
Well, do you have a name that you remember at least? Not really sure. Oh, no. That's a little bit
so
no.
fucking freaky.
That's a little bit
I'm
no.
not doing that. I'm not fucking doing that. This is so fucking wild. What the fuck?
Is there something over in those bushes that you're pointing to?
Oh, there is fucking something. Oh, for anyone who doesn't know, by the way, Moose is a medium, basically, and can feel things. That's where it was before. That's where it was before. That's where it fucking was. It's right there. What's wrong?
Bro, why can I see things now?
Can you see it? You mean the
I
man
just
over
saw
there?
something new. Yeah.
Yeah, over there.
Is that an actual man or is it a
I don't know. There's just someone who's back over there. There's one person over there, I think, riding the car. Did you see that? You see that person in white riding the car? And there's one person here, I think, because I saw them before, but I'm not sure if they're still there. There's one person there now. I think they were behind the bushes. They've moved over there now. This shit's scary.
Bro,
When you open
say
up your
I'm a
eyes.
medium.
Is there someone behind us?
Oh. You don't, is, just to clarify, say yes if there's someone behind us.
It's entwined.
Yeah, so cross the
Sorry,
road.
but if there's
If
someone
not,
behind us,
then we go like this.
you know,
Yeah.
yeah. Good job. Oh,
Maybe I'm holding them wrong, but that was a big clean out.
bro, there's someone putting pressure on my back. Also, fun note that we should know, if somebody is trying to attach itself to you, it will start your lower back and go all the way up to your neck.
Oh, just a bird or something. I think that was a bat. That was not the sound of wings.
That was a bat.
That was a bat. Real.
We're being too loud.
The question?
Is there someone in that playground right in front of us?
Oh, over there?
No, there's someone over there. Okay. Well,
No, what's pointing to?
yeah, over there.
Is there someone in the playground?
No. Are you passing over? Are you stuck right now? Do you need any help? Yes. Okay.
How can we
assist you? Are you...
well, do you want us to keep talking to you or no? Yes. Are you scared of something?
No. Or something that's over there. It's either no or something that's over there. Just so everyone knows, I swear to God, there was somebody right there. Like right there. I swear there was someone there. Have you gotten a lot closer to us? There now, because I just saw its foot. Yeah.
Can we please back off from Blue?
No, that's fine. You can come closer. Just don't touch me, please.
Yes.
That's all. That is just no touching, please. Because
Actually, let's back up a bit. Let's take a step back.
But we do want to
Personal
help
space
you.
bubble. We do want to help you. Yeah, we're not saying we
they're
don't
not
wanna
too
help
close.
you.
They're just over there. We'll just, yeah.
Just be careful.
100%. Okay. Do you have trouble passing over? You can see it fucking pushing. You can see it. Look at it. You can see it pushing it.
I'm not even moving.
I know. You know what I mean? But like, you can see it.
Yeah.
Can you make that ball move, Ben? I really liked it when you make that ball move. It's just like, you know what I mean? Just like that. Just like,
No, he said no. He said no. Is it because we're talking about it? Yes.
well, can you do it within this session?
I'm guessing that's a no.
Fair enough.
Is there more than one person here?
No. It's only one person. So who were the other people we were seeing?
Did you scare them off?
Did you scare off those other?
Should we be scared of you?
You can't lie. spirits can't lie.
Alright.
We're gonna end this session.
Yeah. Well, thank you,
You
so much
are-
for talking to me.
Not allowed. Yeah, thank you for talking to us, but you are not allowed to follow us home. You are not allowed to touch us. You cannot do that and pinch me. That's not okay. That is not okay. You cannot touch us, please.
Alrighty.
Do not follow us.
Fucking catball. Alright.
I love the catfall.
Slay. Yeah, I'm just gonna.
We are probably gonna go somewhere else because this is not the vibe. Thank God there are other parks. Whoa! Alrighty. The spirit that's there.
Nope. I don't know.
There is a spirit there.
Ah, there's a nice guy. I don't know. There's something nice over there. So let's go. Maybe it's just Oscar, the spirit of Oscar.
Oh, you mean someone is someone lying down on a bench?
I didn't see that, but maybe.
Sorry, should we go somewhere else?
Yeah.
Addie, you are not allowed to follow us in the slightest. Unfortunately, you must stay here. We are stronger than you, more powerful than you, and we are full of love and light. I can just see all the light around us right now that we're just shining out in this